So today we are making Schezwan noodles. Let's start with the intro. So here are the ingredients which we are going to use today. Firstly, for boiling the noodles, here I have kept the boiling water and I have added little salt and oil into it. And the packet of noodles I have added. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to cook the noodles. Carefully remove the noodles from the hot water with the help of strainer. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग गलती करते हैं कि वो जब नूडल्स बॉईल होते हैं उसके बाद वो सीधा ठंडे पानी से निकालते हैं। हमें वैसा नहीं करना, हमें उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा तेल डालना है जिसके कारण वो चिपकते नहीं है और उसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है। So here I have heated some oil. Now I am going to add chopped garlic into it. My gas is on high flame. Now we have to cook the garlic for around 10 to 15 seconds, and now I am adding chopped ginger into it. The ginger is totally optional. If you like it, then only put. And now I am going to cook it for around 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that. Now here I am adding sliced onions. You have to cook it well. Now I am going to give it a nice toss to my vegetables. If you are not comfortable, then please, it's not recommended for you. You just mix it with the help of your spoon or whatever you are using. अगर आपको टॉस करना नहीं आता तो प्लीज़ उसे टॉस ना करें, उसके कारण आपको इंजरी हो सकती है. Now here I am adding carrots. It's totally optional. If you don't like carrots, please don't add it. And we have to cook it for some time. Now I am adding sliced capsicum into it. That is your Simla mirch. And also I am going to give it a nice toss to my vegetables. Now I am giving nice toss to my vegetables. If you are not comfortable, then don't try it. मैं आपको फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आप टॉस नहीं करना चाहते तो मत कीजिए, सिर्फ आप अच्छे से उसे मिक्स करें नीचे से ऊपर तक. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, green chili sauce 1 tablespoon which is optional, vinegar 2 tablespoons, and now I am going to give it a mix. Now here I am adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of homemade Schezwan sauce. Schezwan sauce की रेसिपी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रखी है और ऊपर आपको आई बटन पे मिल जाएगी. सो चेक इट आउट. बहुत आसान तरीका से मैंने समझा दिया आप लोगों को. Now we have to mix it well. Now here I am adding some salt. And at last I am adding cabbage, that is your patta gobi, into it. और हमें अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है. Now it's time to add boiled noodles. जो हमने बॉईल किए हुए नूडल्स थे वो हमने इसके अंदर अभी डाल देना है. we have to give it a nice mix to our noodles. So yes, now we are done. As usual, the detailed recipe is given in the description box. Check it out. And also the Schezwan sauce recipe is given in the description box. So do check it out and try and let me know in the comment section. Till then, see you, take care and enjoy.